In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a meta title and description to your WordPress website using the Slim SEO plugin. This lightweight plugin is perfect for beginners because it requires no configuration and is very simple to use. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Slim SEO and hit Enter. Find the plugin Slim SEO and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. The Slim SEO plugin is now installed and activated on your WordPress site. There are no complicated settings to configure. Now let's add a meta title and description to one of your posts or pages. Navigate to the post or page where you want to add the meta information. You can do this by going to Posts or Pages on the left-hand side and selecting Add New or editing an existing one. Scroll down to the bottom of the editor and you'll see the Slim SEO meta box. In the meta box, you'll find fields for meta title and meta description. Enter your desired meta title. This should be a concise and relevant title for your content, ideally under 60 characters. Next, enter your meta description. This should be a brief summary of your content, ideally under 160 characters. Once you've entered your meta information, save your changes. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to Turtle Tech for more WordPress tutorials.